Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Stoic Wreath knot. Let's get started. Left side is at the belt line, only one tie this time. Put it in a fold, bring it over to the center, come across. Bring it around like this. We're going to make this a kind of a smaller, tight, compact knot. Fold it in half, come around like so, and there we have this. Going to leave it folded in half. Bring it around, come through. We're going to do this one more time, come around, and then we're going to then start a wreath. Gotta come around, whoops. Lift this top portion up, and then we're going to push this through here. Then we're going to do a wreath going back this way. Now let me put my collar down. And then I'll just tuck this under here. And let me put this tie clip here. So there you have the Stoic Wreath. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. See this picture on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.